Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I come back with another video. By reading the title, you understand this is the video. Those who are not getting the paid Udemy course for free, especially for Indian country and other country. And we have come with a trick where from that you can get the course for free with certificate. Also, we will discuss about why the Indian people are not getting the course for free with certificate. So don't skip the video. If you skip the video and miss any point, then you can't get the course for free with certificate. So before getting started, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming video. Also join my Telegram group for daily course update. So let's get started. Hope you have seen this blog which we have provided in our groups. If you haven't seen this blog and read it properly, then we will recommend it to read this blog properly, then apply for all the other steps. For example, you have take the course of Leadership Recovery Coach and Drug Counseling Leadership. This course is actually for free, but due to some reason, this course is showing 385 rupees. But I will show the trick which will work on all the courses and you will get all the course for free with certificate. For that, you have to download a VPN. For example, I have downloaded Setup VPN as a Chrome extension, but you can try any VPN. And also, if you want a video for a mobile user, then we will create also that. Just tell us on the comment box. We have already downloaded the Setup VPN properly and we have done the registration process. Then you have to go to the course which you have taken. Then you have to click here and you have to clear all the cookies. After clearing all the cookies, you have to set up a VPN. Other than India, you have to connect with any country which you want. For example, you are connecting to Singapore. After connecting to Singapore, please refresh the page which course you want. As you can see that you are successfully connected to VPN. Hence and you can all check that the Indian rupees is converted into Singapore dollar. Then you have to go to our website and click on the first course which we have provided. Then click here to apply. Here the process will be slow because you are using a VPN, and here you can see the course is for fully free. For enrolling, you have to click on enroll now. And you have to create a new account. Please note that don't use the past account. If you are using the old account, you will not get the course for free. Hence, we have successfully created an account for free, and you have to add your country which you are connected to VPN. Here we will tell you why the Indian people are not getting the course. Here you can see in the billing address, the India country is not here. That's why you are not getting the course for free. By using this trick, you can get the course for free. Then click on enroll now. And here you can see that we have successfully enrolled for the course. Hope you have liked this video. If you have any doubt or query, then comment below. Share this video to friends and family members because they can also get the benefit of the course. Thank you.